BJP sitting in the opposition in the state of Karnataka. The former deputy CM and BJP leader Ashwin Narayan has also echoed the demand for a CBI probe. He alleges that the Congress is trying to politicize this entire issue.
Good that is surrendering and coming back and respecting the law of the land. There is an investigating agency, there is a court. The truth will be revealed. So let him come and let the process of the law go on to bring out the truth. It has really caused real uneasiness in the entire state, and the victims who have been unnecessarily been victimized. For them, Congress people, it is only politics. Congress is nothing but just because of the politics, they are just trying to play the game.
Deepak, ever since this issue came to light, everything is being questioned by the BJP. The timing, the videos, who actually had those videos, why, and the time was, chosen to release those videos, and now they are demanding a CBI probe.
Yes, the demand, of course, for a CBI investigation has been going on for the last few weeks. As far as the state government is concerned, they are citing examples of when they've actually transferred the cases to the CBI, and they've not made any sort of a difference. The Paresh Mehta case, if you see what happened there with the kind of chorus that was coming in from the BJP, and eventually the CBI taking over, and it didn't really go the way that the BJP thought it would, and that's where the state government continued to maintain that the SIT is going to do a fair investigation. The questions that some of the BJP leaders and the JDS leaders had is whether the involvement of Congress leaders in circulation of these videos for political gain, whether that's an aspect that is also going to be considered by the SIT, and whether if they cannot, then central agency should be entrusted with the probe is something that the demand had come in. Right now, it looks like it is going to be the SIT that will continue this probe.
Right.
Father of Prajwal Revanna was also taken into custody. He was in judicial custody too. Right now, it remains to be seen whether Prajwal will live up to his words, be there before the SIT for questioning on the 31st.
Well, he is expected tomorrow midnight, and 10 hours later, as he said in that self-shot video, that he will be making an appearance on the 31st of May at 10 a.m. before the SIT. Remains to be seen the moment he lands in Bengaluru. Will he be arrested, or what really happens as far as the investigation is concerned? Thank you for the update, Deepak, for joining in.